Hi guys, I'm Demon Killer, and in this video we are going to walk through how we can install VirtualBox 6.1 in Windows 10 operating system. So you want to open your favorite web browser, search for VirtualBox, and then click on the first link that appears here, and you'll be directed to this page. So you want to click on download VirtualBox 6.1, and over here under the VirtualBox 6.1 platform packages, you want to click on Windows host because Windows 10 is a Windows operating system. So you will be prompted with this. You want to click on save file, and a .exe file will be downloaded in your system. So I'm going to cancel this because I already have it downloaded here in my downloads folder. So this is how it should look once the download is complete. So double click on it, and you should be welcomed with this welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox setup. Click on next, 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 and then there will be a warning about network interfaces. So you want to click on yes, and then click on install. So you will be prompted again, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You want to click on yes, and while that is happening, we'll come back to our web browser, and yes, over here we want to download the extension pack, the VM extension pack. So click on that. That's supported for all platforms, so it's around 10.5 MBs. Yes, it is 10.5 MBs. So it's downloaded now, and it should appear in our downloads folder. It is over here. So now, as you can see, our VirtualBox installation is complete. We want to click on finish, and if you go to the help about VirtualBox, you see that we have VirtualBox 6.1 installed in our Windows 10 operating system. Now the only thing left to do is to install the extension pack. So I already did this procedure, so I will have the option as reinstall. But if you are doing this the first time, you will be greeted with this box, and then you have to click on install. So in my case it's reinstall. I'll just click here, and you want to drag all the way, scroll all the way down, and then click on I agree. And then again you will be prompted like, do you want to allow this app to make changes? You want to click on yes, and VirtualBox will install the extension pack for you. And now, as you can see, the extension pack is successfully installed. So here it is guys, we have VirtualBox 6.1 in Windows operating system. It's all the same thing the conventional way. From here you can add your ISOs, and if you have your ISOs in OVA format, you can import them directly from here. So this is how to install VirtualBox 6.1 in Windows 10 operating system. I already have videos on how to install VirtualBox in Linux Ubuntu operating system, so go ahead and check that out. The links will be in the description. If you like the video, please do subscribe, and please like this video as well, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.